Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW i3 with its key. To remotely unlock your i3, simply press the unlock button on your key fob. A single press will unlock just the driver's door, which is great for quick access. If you need to open all doors and the tailgate, press the unlock button twice in quick succession. This method is the most common way to get into your vehicle. Sometimes, remote unlocking isn't an option, perhaps due to a dead key fob battery. Don't worry, your i3 has a manual keyhole. You'll find it discreetly located on the driver's side door handle. Simply insert the physical key into the keyhole and turn it to unlock the door. This ensures you can always access your vehicle, even in unexpected situations. You might be wondering where to find that physical key. It's cleverly integrated into your key fob. Look for a small release button, usually on the side of the fob. Press this button, and you can then slide out the metal key blade. This design ensures you always have a backup manual key readily available without needing to carry an extra item. If your key fob battery dies, you can still start your i3. Just hold the key fob directly against the steering column, near the designated key symbol. For entry, remember the manual key method we discussed. To prevent future issues, replace the key fob battery with a new CR2032 cell. It's a simple fix that keeps your remote functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.